Hello, 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 hello. This is Kwame, and once again, this is Kwame Reviews. And today I'm going to introduce you to Easy Party Printable. This is a new product that my friend Amy Harlow just released. She released a few days ago, and I'm just going to show you the. This is the sales page, and this is Amy talking about the product in this video. And I'm sorry I was not able to bring it out to you early, but it's just one more day for the promotion to end. Right now it's at 19.99, and this is easy to follow guide that is going to tap into a secret. This is a secret. This is a secret. This is a gold mine that people don't know about yet. So tap into it, take action, and rinse and repeat. Okay, so the goal of this product is to help you tap into that easy party printable natures. 365 days a year, every day is the birthday for somebody. Every day there's a party going on somewhere all over the world. So this is a lucrative niche that does not locality doesn't matter. You can be in Africa, you can be in Ghana, you can be in America, Malaysia, Australia. It doesn't matter. There's parties going on. So tap into this. It's easy to use, rinse and repeat, fastest and easiest content you sales you can. Look at this. This is all from Etsy, and people are making a killing on this. Anita from of Design My Party Studio has made 200 and over 200,000 200 sales, 100 visitors, 100,000 visitors a month. Look at it. It's all here. This is from Etsy. It's a hot nature. So in this product, massive opportunities for all you all who gets this. You have weddings, you have baby showers, bridal showers, you have graduations, anniversaries, holiday and events party like Halloween, Christmas, and the Super Bowl, and all kinds of stuff. Soccer. If you go to the Chinese, they have the Chinese New Year. You have Diwali and all those Diwali in India. You have all kinds of celebrations. It's a massive demand for this product. So get it through my link and you get the bonuses. And also, this is what you are going to get in this product. You're going to get, oh man, you're going to get the easy quick start checklist guide. You're going to get over the shoulder video training from Amy. You're going to get mini guide to help you find great niches, and also you're going to get then for you, man. Then for you templates. The FY templates for you, baby. So you gotta once you get it, just take a action. That's all I advise you to do. Take what? Action. If you don't take action, I can't. You can't blame Amy, you cannot blame me. But once you spend your money on it, I need you to take action so that if you have any questions and you're stuck anywhere, you can call, you can contact me, or you can contact Amy and we will help you. But contact Amy first and we will help you get results. But look at it. These are all testimonials. People are really happy about this product. And right now, the product is at a measly 19.99. 19.99, right? So if you don't get it before the timer goes up, it will go up to what? 29.99. So get it, and there is what? Fully no rate buyers guarantee for you. So get this product through my link below and you get all my bonuses, but take action. And till we meet again, God bless you and stay safe and stay blessed. Amen.